How to add SUI or SUI coin on your Trust Wallet app. Are you guys facing issues to add SUI coin on your Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Once you open up your app, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, now tap on search bar and search for SUI. To add SUI coin on your Trust Wallet app, toggle this option. Once you toggle it, now go back to your Trust Wallet homepage, scroll down and click on SUI. Once you click on it, now hit the receive button. With the help of this QR code and wallet address, you'll be able to receive SUI coin on your Trust Wallet app through different crypto wallets. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add SUI coin on our Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.